Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD tutorial how to use the circle commands in draft tools. Now you can go into draft and to create the circle you can click this icon and specify for the center point of the circle position. I will click in here and you can set for the radius. Like I will set into 10, you can type 10 and then press enter to apply. So we create circles with radius 10. You also can type C and I to use the circle command, and then I will click in here for the specific start point and I will set radius into 5. You can press enter to apply. Okay, you can type C and I, and then you can specify for the start point. I will click here. Now you can set for the radius, set like into 20 and press enter to apply. Okay, you can sort at these commands and you can see there are the options to use this command by typing C and I. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD tutorial how to create circle in draft tools. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.